Most people believe that AI is for only programmers, engineers, or big tech companies. But here is the problem. That belief is costing regular people time, energy, and money every single day. In this video, I will show you how AI can help you with very simple tasks. Office tasks, small businesses, online studying, and everyday job responsibility. And I will show you how to use it in a way that feels natural, not technical. By the end of this video, you will know how exactly to use AI to do real work for you starting today. Why simple work is where AI actually shines. When people hear AI at work, they imagine complex dashboard, coding screen, or robot replacing humans. That image is misleading. In reality, AI is most powerful when applied in boring, repetitive, mentally draining tasks that most every job has. Think about your daily work life. Whether you work in an office, run a small business, sell product online, or manage school and side hustle, a lot of your time is spent doing things that don't require creativity but still require attention. Writing emails, explaining the same thing to customer again and again, creating descriptions, summarizing information, organizing thoughts before starting a task. These tasks are not difficult. They quietly drain mental energy, and by the time you reach work that actually matters, your brain already feels tired. This is where AI fits in, not as a replacement for your intelligence, but as a support system that handles the mental frictions. AI works best when you treat it like a junior assistant. You don't expect perfections, you expect a solid first draft, something you can react to, improve and finalize. Once you understand the mindset, AI stop feeling intimidating and start feeling useful. AI in office work. How AI can be used in office work is something important. Let's imagine a very normal scenario. You work in an office or you are managing administrative tasks. Your boss asks you to send a professional email to a client explaining a delay in delivery, nothing complex. But that tone matters. You don't want to sound careless, defensive, or robotic. Normally, you will stare at the screen, rewriting the same sentences 5 times and wondering if your words sound smooth. This is where AI becomes a thinking partner. Instead of asking AI to write email, you explain the situation as if you are talking to a colleague. You tell the AI who the email is for, what happened, and what tone you want. Calm, professional, reassuring. AI then give you a draft that already saved 80% of the problem. At this point, you are not copying blindly. You are editing, you are adjusting, and you are making it sound like you. The difference is that you are no longer starting from nothing. You are removing the hardest part of the work, the mental resistance to start. This same approach works for reports, summary, meeting notes, and explanation. AI become the tools that help you move from a blank page to a momentum. AI for small businesses. AI help in reducing mental load because this is where AI creates massive leverage. Imagine you run a small online business. Maybe you sell clothes, skincare products, digital services, or handmade items. One of the most annoying parts, you explain the same product benefits, the same policy, the same answer to customer question over and over again. AI helps you standardize your thinking. For example, instead of writing product description from scratch each time, you can explain your product once, what it does, who it's meant for, why is it different, and ask AI to turn that explanation into multiple fashions. One for your website, one for your Instagram, one for your WhatsApp messages, one for email marketing. You are not outsourcing creativities. This free up mental space, and mental space open us business owner makes better decisions. They stop rushing, they stop reacting as well, they start thinking strategically again. AI for online selling. Creating a product description. Imagine you are selling wireless Bluetooth speaker online. Normally you had struggled to describe it beyond basic features, but features doesn't sell, clarity does. Instead of listing spec, you explain the product to AI the same way you would explain it to a friend. You describe how it sounds, where it is useful, and who would enjoy it. You explain the problem it solved. Then you ask AI to turn that simple explanation into clear, simple product description that feels human, not stasis. AI take your raw thoughts and organize them into a structured message. It highlights benefits, improve flows, and remove unnecessary fluff. What you get is not magic. It is clarity, and clarity sells. The key lesson here is that AI does not replace understanding. AI amplify it. The better you explain your product, the better AI perform. AI as a work coach, not a shortcut. Here is why many people go wrong. They treat AI like a shortcut to avoid thinking. That never works long time. AI is most powerful when it acts as a coach. Sometimes that helps you think more clearly, not think less. When you explain tasks out loud to AI, something interesting happens. Your thoughts become organized, your assumption become feasible, your conviction become clearer. This alone improves your work quality even before AI responds. This is why professionals who use AI effectively don't become lazy. They become sharper, they think faster because friction is reduced, not because thinking disappears. Why this AI matters for your careers? We are entering a period where productivity is no longer about working longer hours. It is about working with better tools. For those people who knows how to explain tasks clearly to AI, will outperform people who don't, not because they are smarter, but because they waste less energy on low value work. This skills is not technical, it is communicative. It is about clarity, structures, and intent. And the earlier you develop these habits, the more valuable you become, whether you are a student, employee, freelancers, or a business owner. If this video helped you see AI in a simpler, more practical way, let me know in the comment section. What kind of work do you do, and where do you think AI could help you most? If you are new here, this channel is about using AI calmly, clearly, and practically. No hype, no confusion, just really understand it. Subscribe to this channel if you want to keep learning this way, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.